Welcome to my channel. I want to show you guys how I prep these tips for when I do my press-on nails. I'm using the Kiara Sky jelly tips. They are the short square. Now right now I'm buffing the surface, and it's mainly to scratch it up because I am going to be using gel polishes. And right here, I'm just going in at the cuticle area. I want to make sure that that is really blended so that it blends once it's glued onto the natural nail. And I'm just going in and making sure. You don't want to use a buffer to make it too smooth because then the gel polish will not adhere properly. Now you want to go ahead and do that to the rest of the nails. And this is how the tips look. Now I go in with a lint-free wipe, and then I use the Young Nail Swipe, which is here. It's running out. I need to refill it up. And I douse that little wipe, and then I start wiping off any dust that is on the tips. You want to make sure that there's no dust on the surface because that will be mixed in with your gel polish or anything that you put on the nail. And this is how it looks now that it is wiped and there's no debris on the surface. Then I usually go in and prep the tips the same way I would prep a regular nail surface. I find that this helps, especially with the Kiara Sky jelly tips. So I go in with step 1, which is prep. And I go ahead and I put that on all the tips. That middle one was giving me problems. The magnet was just not working right. I do like these though because you're able to like lift it up, and if you need to do like a specific design on one nail, I can just pick up that piece. So after that, I go in with step 2 and I prime. And you want to be pretty liberal with it, but don't put too much because then you'll be waiting a while as it dries down. And then I go ahead and put that on all of them. And then I'm going in with step 3, which is the builder gel. I like to add a light layer of this just to add some strength to these tips because I have noticed that when I didn't, the nail would crack. I don't experience this with my après tips, but I'll show the prep process for those in another video. And I want to make sure that I am coating the entire tip surface. Now you can also use base gel. I'm using builder gel because this is what came in the kit that I ordered with the Kiara Sky tips for the at home jelly tip nails. And then what you want to do is just cure that for 30 seconds because I was creating a set for myself, and then I like to cure in between every 30 seconds and put on gel polish and flash cure it until I'm done with the set. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch the next video. Bye.